Good day everyone, this is Denise and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to prepare a really good profile, an enticing profile, so that whenever you send a message or whenever an entrepreneur, a mentor, or business are gonna look for apprentices, then you have a really nice profile to present and they will be interested to collaborate with you and be part of their team. Okay, so let me just share my screen with you. This is my profile. Now, if you want to join with us, guys, there's an Acadium link on the description box below. Use that to sign up. Okay, there you go. First, you have to upload a professional photo. It's not a selfie photo. I suggest that you use a really good photo because whatever you put on your profile, that actually describes who you are, okay? So I suggest you put a professional photo, or for as long as it's not like selfie photo, like with all these unnecessary, poses and stuff like that. But because the platform is professional and mentors who are in this platform are professional, and obviously they are looking for people who are professional as well. So this is not like Facebook or Instagram. So it's a place where we learn great stuffs, okay, good stuffs in marketing. So let's put a good one, of course. Then here you fill up your name, okay, your country, then languages, okay, that you speak. You can add whatever language you know, and then of course write your biography. Mine is just 233 characters, so I take up every learning opportunity that is presented to hone my knowledge and skills, and I'm eager to learn more in my workplace. Thinking outside the box makes me look for answers that could lead to newness and improved solutions. So that's my I would say that's my principle, my philosophy in life, okay? So you can put, or you can also put something about you, just really like 2-3 sentences about you, like maybe I am interested in this and that, and you can say something, a really short message about your experience or what you know, the skills that you know. And then about here, about the about section, then looking for experience. What are you looking to learn on Acadium? So what I'm interested is, I'm really interested in SEO, that's search engine optimization, then social media, video editing. You can also just click whatever you want, like whatever that is useful, that will be useful for you in the future, and what you really need, okay? And then the industries that you're interested in. So these are specific ones. Are you interested in business services? Is it agriculture or banking? Or is it nonprofit? So there's a lot of options here too that you can choose from. And then personal interests. So what are your personal interests? So here you must select at least 3. This is really nice because you can select, like in my case, I have a lot of interests. So as you can see, I'm interested in animals, art, business, chess, anything. That's because it's personal interest. And then the amount of mentorship required, like do you need let's say a complete support, or are you like completely independent? Okay, so what I chose here is level 3, because there are still other things in digital marketing that I need to put them into practice and to learn more, okay, and to develop. So it's always good to be in the middle level. And the goal, why are you interested? Why are you here in Acadium? What is your goal? What is your objective? So in my case, I am so interested to start my own business, to start my own agency, maybe in the future. Okay, I'm not saying maybe now, but could be in the future. And you also have the option to get a full-time job here. So are you interested to look for a full-time job? So basically you can modify them anytime you want, okay? And then familiar tools. What are the tools that you're familiar with, that you are really good at? Okay. So, well, in my case, I can use Adobe Illustrator, and then you can also use Microsoft Excel, the WordPress, is it Wix, Moz, and all these things. So it has to also obviously from the let's say here, from your interest, where you're like where is that? And because you are interested, let's say in digital marketing, social media, then it also should be like match. Like for example, if you're interested in web designing, then obviously at least you are familiar with Adobe Illustrator, or you're familiar with Squarespace, Wix, or WordPress, or something like that. So basically, just match them, okay, to your skills and to what you're interested of. Then the question and answer section: what are some things outside of work that you are passionate about? So here, I love serving other people by volunteering. I enjoy volunteering in not nursing, I'm sorry, it's home for the aged. So that's and also supporting nonprofit organizations. So that's my interest. That's like whenever I'm not working, or you could also put there like that you're passionate about sports, after work, you go out to the gym, or I don't know, whatever that is, whatever that activity that you're so passionate about outside of work, okay? And then here, the review, you will get a review later, I think. I haven't also requested a review yet, because I'm not yet done with my apprenticeship. And then the education. Here you can add your education, okay? The field that you have studied in the past, and if you're still studying now, so just add that here, okay? There's the date, the end date, start date, okay? And then your work experience. So basically what I did, I just added this experience that I would say they're helpful for me in this area, because what I do in my previous employment is almost the same as what I'm interested in, what I do now here at Acadium. So, and although I worked as a nurse. I used to be a nurse in the Philippines, but when I got here in Italy, I have a 360 degrees shift of the field of work. So I just put what is relevant. That's it. I put what's relevant. Then certifications, all the things, all the courses that you have studied, that you took, and etc. etc. So I took a lot of courses here. That's because I like to learn more. I'm a curious soul, so that's me. And then projects. So projects, I love web design, so I created and I designed designs for a couple of people, and so I added them here, okay? And the ones that gave me permission to put them on my profile. So that's it. And then of course your social profile, you add if you have LinkedIn, if you have a website. I have a website, so I added my website here, and if you click that, it will take you to my website. So hi, I'm Denise, Italy-based UI and visual designer, and etc. 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 So that's it. And your LinkedIn profile, and you can also put your Facebook, Instagram, or Dribble, whatever that is. And then volunteer work. So this is what I was saying a while ago, that it's a geriatric carer, like volunteer. So that's what I do. And then I used to be a nurse clinic also back in the Philippines before I got here in Italy. And my favorite books. So these are my favorite books. I added this book here, and it's optional to put a quote, or maybe it's just a short description about the book. I put the short description about the book actually. So that's it. And then the fun facts. Oh, I love this section. Fun facts, what I enjoy doing. Gone on epic adventure, share a fun fact about yourself. So I enjoy snowshoeing, hiking in the mountains, cooking pizza, vlogging, and so on and so forth. Though, so that depends on you. So basically that's it. And then let's go to the top. And here, if you are currently looking, okay, you can choose. You have 3 options here. Actively looking, I'm currently looking for an apprenticeship and I'm ready to start as soon as I can. And then, or passively looking, so I'm actively looking for an apprenticeship but would be happy to connect and explore my options. And then not looking, that's probably because you're doing a full-time job, or maybe you have already a job, or I don't know, it depends, whatever your reason is. So you just choose which one's best for you, and then you can upload your resume or curriculum vitae. So here, update your resume, just click that if you want to update that or remove it, and save and continue. So it is so helpful to upload and include your resume here. That's because there are things that may not be how do you say that, be present on your profile here in Acadium, but you have them in your resume. So that's it. And then share profile, use the link here to share it to other people. Like if you want to show your profile, are you looking for an apprenticeship, or you just want to share it to in your in the group, in the Facebook Acadium group, you want to share that. So maybe other people can help you find a mentor or somebody that you can collaborate with and be part of the team. So basically that's it, guys. Just add whatever is relevant, whatever is important, and that you would like the mentor or entrepreneurs to know about you. Okay, so don't write other things that are unnecessary and that are not even related to what you are interested of. Just put what's relevant, what's good, and you're good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Now let me repeat again. If you want to join Acadium, there is an Acadium share link in the description box below. Use that to sign up. And thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!